So kahapon guys, no, I created a video about trade setup kay EURUSD. So it is a potential trade setup kay EURUSD and I made around $500 sa trade na yon. So sa mga sumubay, nakapanood ka agad ng video na in-upload ka kahapon. Congratulations guys, no. And I hope na nasabayan nyo yung trade setup kahapon. So sa video na to guys, no, i-reveal ko naman sa inyo, ituturo ko sa inyo ang sikreto kung paano nga ba ako mag top down analysis from higher time frame down to 1 hour time frame. Pero bago tayo magsimula guys, no, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa YouTube channel and you want to learn more about forex trading or how I do technical analysis at kung paano nga ba ako nag-trade sa market, make sure to smash that subscribe button, pati na rin yung notification bell icon para lagi kang ma-update sa mga latest videos natin. Okay? Oh, by the way guys, no, if you want, no, mag-trade using a bigger capital, I am inviting you guys, no, to join Fibers. Okay, so Fibers is a platform kung saan if you proven yourself na profitable ka, no, you will take their challenge at kapag naipasa mo, magkakaroon ka ng mas malaking capital. Okay, so if you are interested na magkaroon ng mas malaking capital, my link is in the description below. So go check it out, create an account and join Fibers. So yesterday guys, no, this is the trade that we've taken. So na hit yung take profit natin, but right now I'm gonna clear this out, yung mga drawings natin dito sa chart para mas may detalye ko sa inyo kung paano ako nagte-technical analysis from higher time frame down to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's try to remove this drawing first. Okay, so first na ginagawa ko guys, no, and diretso na tayo, wala na tayong paligoy-ligoy, wala na tayong marami pang mga kwento pa. Okay, so first thing na ginagawa ko guys, no, I think naturo ko naman to sa ibang mga videos ko. So ang ginagawa ko ay go up to higher time frame like 1 month. So ano ba yung candlestick na nabuo sa 1 month? So for example, right now we are here in EURUSD and what we see is a bullish candle. Okay, so sa mga previous video ko, kung nanonood kayo ng mga video ko, tinuro ko yung kung paano ba nabubuo yung candlestick at ano ba yung potential na possible na maging movement ng market kinabukasan if the candlestick is bullish or bearish ngayong araw na to. So right now what we have is, last month we have bullish candle. So what we're gonna do is mark the high ng last month candle, and usually I do mark the highs and the lows. Kaya lang right now guys, no, sobrang malayo yung candle, yung sobrang malaki, sobrang mahaba yung candlestick natin and sobrang layo din naman ng low ng last month candle. So what I'm gonna do now is go down to weekly time frame and mamarkahan natin yung last week high and low ng candle. Okay, so this is the last high ng last week candle, this is the high ng last week candle, and this is also the low, okay, ng candle ng last week candle. Okay, so once I have this, once I have marked this highs and the lows, so ang reason kung bakit minamarkahan ko to guys, kung para pag bumaba tayo sa lower time frame, hindi tayo malaligaw, alam natin kung nasan tayo sa market. So what we're gonna do is go down to 1 hour time frame. Okay, and as you can see here guys, no, sa lower time frame natin, hindi niya binabasag yung this is the last month high, this is the last month high, and this is the last week high. Okay, so hindi niya binabasag pataas. So there's a high probability, no, sabi ko nga sa inyo, kapag bagong mabuong isang candle, nagkakaroon siya ng retracement. So if bullish yung candle today, there's a high probability na bullish yung candle tomorrow. Kaya lang syempre magkakaroon muna yan ng retracement. Okay, so which is what is exactly happening right now. Nagkakaroon tayo nitong movement pababa. Okay, nagki-create siya ng lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, but take note this guys, no, this is not a reversal. Hindi porket nagkaroon tayo ng movement na ganito is tuloy-tuloy na bababa ang market o yung price ng market. Okay, so this is just a retracement ng movement ng market on a higher time frame for a continuous bullish movement. Okay, so if we go up to 4 hour time frame, remove ko muna to, and let's go up to 4 hour time frame. May kita mo guys, no, we have some key zones here. O dito lang tayo sa 1 hour, we have some key zone here. This is major key zone na minamarkahan natin kapag nag-technical analysis ako. Okay, yung mga key zone na to. Okay, this is the zone which is there's a high probability na possible biyang babain. Okay, and this is our latest high, which is the moment na binasag niya to, magkakaroon na siya ng another momentum pataas. But since itinuro ko rin guys, no, sa previous videos natin, which is how to mark trend line, no, So if we go up to higher time frame, like 1 hour time frame, we are still on a bullish movement. Okay, as you can see here, kung mamarkahan natin to ng trend line, we are still on a bullish movement. Okay, so this is just this red movement na to, yung bearish movement na to, this is just a retracement, no? This is just a retracement, hindi siya reversal movement ng market, kundi this is just a retracement ng movement ng market bago siya mag-create ng continuous movement pataas. Okay, so right now tinuro ko sa video how to mark trend line yung mga gantong movement. So what we're gonna do right now, guys, is nag-create siya ng ilang touch dito sa key zone natin, pero hindi niya binasag. So what we're gonna do is mark a trend line here. Okay, so the moment na binasag niya tong trend line na to, for example here, umakyat, bumasag, nag-retrace, there's high probability na pataas ng galaw ng market, which is kaya lang hindi niya ginawa, guys, no? So nagkaroon siya ng retracement, which is dito na maximize natin yung movement na to, nakapag-profit tayo sa mga movement na to. Okay, and yesterday ito yung shinare ko, guys, no? Yung nagkita ko ng video about this, yung trade setup natin kay Euro USD. Sabi ko pwede nyo nang sabayan to, and then stop loss just right here, just above here, kung napanood nyo yung video, and you can place a short position here. Okay, dito ako actually nag-place ng a short position right after this bearish engulfing. And sa mga videos ko tinuro ko rin to, guys, no, how bearish, kung paano ko ginagamit as confirmation yung bearish and bullish engulfing. So stop loss just right here, and dito lang tayo nag-take profit. Okay, hindi ko tinarget yung tinuro kong target kahapon, which is tinamaan din niya. Okay, kung nag-target tayo ng 75 pips or 70 pips, tinamaan pa rin niya, which is 50-50 lang yung target natin. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, guys, right now nasa area tayo. This is non-tradable zone. Today is Friday. There's high probability na possible pa siyang bumaba dito sa area na to, or there's a high probability rin na hindi niya gawin yun. So wala na muna akong gagawin yun, hindi ako mag-trade ngayon. Today is Friday, so pahinga na muna tayo. Pwede kasi siyang bumaba pa rin dito and then umakyat, creating this movement pataas. Okay, and there's a high probability na possible mangyari to by next week. Okay, so tingnan natin yung movement ng market by next week. Okay, so meron pa ba akong nakalimutan? I think wala naman, go. Oh, one more thing, guys, no, Fibonacci. Okay, let's go back to one month. Okay, this is a combination. Pasensya na kayo, guys, medyo sabog ako magturo. Hindi ako magaling magturo, hindi rin ako vlogger, marunong lang ako mag-trade. Okay, so yeah, let's go back to 1 month, no. Try natin markahan yung high ng candle, I mean yung low ng candle. Okay, this is the last low ng candle last month, and let's go back to 1 hour. Okay, so we have our zone here, no. So technically, kung gagamitin natin ng Fibonacci, dito tayo magi-start from the last low bago nagkaroon ng impulsive movement. So kung mamarka natin to, this is the Fibonacci. Lagyan natin ng Fib retracement. Kung makikita mo, guys, no, eksakto siya dito sa golden zone ng Fibonacci, which is 0.5, 50% and 60%. Dito siya naglalaro. So there's a probability na pwede babayin niya pa rin to, maybe tonight or maybe next week, bago magkaroon ng continuous pataas. Okay, so yeah, ano pa ba? Meron pa ba akong nakalimutan? I think wala na siguro, and siguro sa mga susunod na lang natin mga video. And I hope kahit sabog yung turo ko, meron kayong aha moment or napulot dito sa itinuro ko sa inyo, guys, no. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa channel, thank you so much, guys, no. And actually tinatamad talaga ako mag-create ng video, kaya lang meron pa rin natitira na talagang nakaka-inspired sa akin na mag-create ng mga bagong content. Okay, so yung mga sumusuporta and yung mga nagko-comment, thank you so much sa inyo, guys, no. So yeah, that's it, guys. Again, God bless sa lahat and happy trading.